How to add image banner on Shopify. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can add an image banner on Shopify. So let's get into it. First of all, what you need to do is you're going to open up your shopify.com and you will get right here. You can see this is our shop admin. So if you have a shop on Shopify, then we can actually customize a store. So we're going to go to the sales channel here, then we're going to click on online store. Once we select online store, then we're going to select the themes from here. After selecting the themes, you're going to click on customize. It will take you to your storefront, and here we can customize our store. So image banner is an important part of our store here. You can see in our homepage, you'll have a header, and after the header, we can add a template. So in the template, what you can do is you can click on add section. After adding add section, you're going to select image banner. Now you can add an image banner at the top, even at the end. Let's actually add right here above our footer. So I'm going to add it right here. Click on image banner. So once you select it, it will be added on your store right here. So you can see now we have an image banner. So we'll select the image now. Click here and click on select image. We will upload the image here, or we can select from the image we already uploaded. So I'm going to select one from here. Click on select and you'll see the image banner will be added here. You can see now we have an image in the background. We can also customize the text on the image banner. So the heading says this, but we're going to change it to, let's say, new arrivals. And then we're going to go to this and change the text here. And then we can also customize the button right here. So you can see we have button label where I can add the link for my page. And this is how image banner is completed. It's actually really easy. You just click on add section and select image banner. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.